hell, he's taking my ear off.
This is a nice hotel, isn't it? Oh, look at that chicken.
Just ride one time for your mind.
Right, we're here, we've made it to Marmaris, and we're in Jandan Apartments, spelled C-A-N-D-A-N, like Camden. Now they do have a Jandan hotel as well, Club Jandan, where I've been to before. Beautiful hotel, but this is the apartments. And what a steal it was at £26, I think it was, for one night, me and Lee, twin bedrooms. Let's take a look. So you've got a decent balcony area, table and chairs, and then inside, straight away, you can see the kitchenette, quite a modern one over there. Couple of sofas, and a TV on the wall, which did have an English channel. Get up there. But very spacious in the front room, and you've got the aircon control just on the wall there for the bedroom. All right, so the aircon, you can control it in the front room for this room. You've got a separate balcony just here for the bedroom, where you can put the clothes out if you're staying here for more than one night. Most people would come here for a week or two, but we're here for one night only, and then we're off to Julian Club, or Club Julian. The bedroom, again, nice and clean, got some wooden furniture over here, a light on the wall there, a couple of reading lights on the wall just above the bed. And the beds were comfy last night, really comfy. I slept well. I don't know if Lee did, but I did. Yeah, I did. Sleep all right. It's clean, it's basic, Jandan Apartments. Would I stay here again? 100%, Dad Loves Food approved.
Hello, sunshine.
Right, so we've just had a 5-minute walk from Jandan Apartments. Now we're at Club Jandan. And the only reason that I'm here is to see Curley, the barber, so I can get a quick haircut, get a beard shave, and look fresh this week. All right, Curley.
Hi, everyone. Hell, he's taking my ear off.
Oh, go for it. Nothing wrong with a little bit of hot wax. Not for me, just for Lee. Do you have his ears as well, maybe?
No, not me. No ears?
No, Lee's doing it now. He's doing it.
No ears?
Yeah, he needs it. Look, his hairy ears.
Would you like?
Yeah. Very hairy ears.
Az yap, tamam.
That is gonna knock.
Slowly, yeah, slowly. Come on, baby.
Next one.
Göster kılları.
Oh,
Look at that.
hairy nose.
He can feel the fresh air now. Proper.
Hold on. He hasn't started yet.
And you alright?
He hasn't
How
started.
are you?
Get it off.
How's everything?
Check it. Oh.
Why? Hell, he's taking my ear off.
Oh, this is close. Last bit, Lee. Oh, it's, oh my God, the pain in that. He's crying. Oh, next one. Is there another ear to do?
Just cut the ear off.
Oh.
Abi vurmasın bana.
Hold on. I'm gonna drink some water.
I will just a Turkish kebab.
Turkish kebab.
Ear kebab. Smells like a chicken. Look, oh, lovely.
Very nice.
Oh, look at that.
I love
Is
a
it not
chicken
finished?
kebab. Take the Oh, it's still a bit left. Get back. Turn your head round, Lee. Come on.
This is
Chicken kebab.
ear kebab. Then nice clean. That's it, mate.
All done, Lee.
You are
Beautiful.
strong.
Beautiful, Lee. None of that for me, thanks. Look at Lee. Every time we pass a clothes shop, he's like, let's go and have a look. Let's have a look. He's always looking at the football kits for his lads. Ronaldo, Liverpool, Rangers, Celtic, even Sunderland here. City old one, City new. Some sort of United retro style. And how much are your football tops, mate?
English money.
English money.
English money, £10.
£10. I like that joker top, something different. So this is in Armatellen, just across the road from a more bar and restaurant. You alright?
Right.
Hello, pal.
Good.
Nice top. Look at us slumming it. Walking around Marmaris with our cases from Club Jandin up to Club Julian or Julian Club, which is about a 15-minute walk with a case. So yeah, we're slumming it. So I've never got this on any footage before, but as we walk up to Armatellen, which is that way, Trotter's Bar on the right, Mad Boys on the right as well, you've got this big, it looks like an outdoor theatre. I'm going to show you all now. Look at that. Never been here. I don't know what it shows, but clearly there's some entertainment on. But it looks like something really old. It looks like it's got a lot of history to it. Like a big Roman theatre. Listen, it's about time I came into this bar. This is Parkhead in Armatellen, a Celtic bar, and every time I walk past, and when there's a Celtic game, it is absolutely rammed in here. So I've just popped in for a Coke. So if you are in Armatellen, come and check them out, Parkhead Celtic Bar. Right, let's check into hotel number 2, Julian Club. Right, so you've just seen the room quickly. We will do a proper room review, but now we're going to go and check out the snack bar downstairs at, what time is it? 1:30. So the main food might be on as well.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour, l'amour tendre.
Where did you say the snack bar was?
Over here.
Not in here. So what are these doing?
That's the main meal.
Do you want to have the main then?
L'amour sans logique à la raison.
So what I didn't realise from outside is how big Julian Club is. It's absolutely massive. Couple of pools, you've got the main food area, and then you've got the snack bar here. Pizza chef. You okay? Good, thank you, mate. You okay? Get some cheese rolls. Look at this. I love the Turkish pepperoni. So it's not pork, it's either chicken or beef, but it's absolutely packed with flavour.
Chips and onion gravy.
Mix on here.
Vibe one time for your mind.
Listen, I'm like a kid in a sweet shop when it comes to snack bars like that. So I've got a proper mix on the plate of pizza, burger, fried chicken, cheese pastry, garlic bread, and gozleme. Let's dig in.
Just vibe one time for your mind.